Hello, hello. I am Jasmine Randall, and I am super excited to complete this summer course with each of you. Professionally, I'd like to share that I am a fifth year, second grade teacher here in the Cobb County School District. I completed the first 3 years of my teaching experience in the Bibb County School District. And fun fact, all 5 years I've taught second grade and I've enjoyed every day of it. Personally, I'd like to share when I am not wearing the hat of a teacher or a student, I am servicing my makeup clients under my business Flawless Finish Makeup in different capacities, be it where there is a bridal party or just a one-on-one client looking to attend a photo shoot, a night out, or even a simple birthday celebration. And something that someone may not know just by looking at me, I share two things. The first thing is I really enjoyed the fourth season of Stranger Things, so I'm curious to see if any of you happen to see that. And also, what are your thoughts on season 4? And then the second thing I'd like to share that people may not know just from looking at me, I truly, truly believe that the best flavored cheesecake is strawberry. So let me know what you think. I'm excited to complete this course with each of you. Good luck and let's connect. Have a great summer.